Dear student, I have given you the homework today 1G. So the hints of this chapter, related chapter, I will give you. How do you solve these questions? At first, you will try your own level best, and wherever you have a problem, so that time you will consult it. You will see it. Exercise 1G. In question number 1, from a rope 11-meter long, two pieces of length 2 hole 3 by 5 meter and 3 hole 3 by 10 meter are cut off. What is the length of the remaining rope? See here, this rope is 11 meter. Suppose A and B is the rope, and this one, the total length of this rope is 11 meter. One rope, one part is cut here P. AP is, the length of AP is 2 hole 3 by 5 meter, and the another PQ is 3 hole 3 by 10 meter. So what is the length of this remaining QB? Very simple. So the solution, 11 meter minus 2 hole 3 by 5 meter plus 3 hole 3 by 10 meter. Under bracket, both measurement, both the part of the rope will be added and subtracted from the total rope. You will get the answer. 11 meter minus 5 to the 10 plus 3, 13, 13 by 5 meter plus 10 3 the 30 plus 3, 33, 33 by 10 meter. 11 meter minus, take the LCM of both denominator, 5 and 10, 10, 5 2 ja, so 13 2 ja, 26 meter plus 33 meter. 11 meter minus, added them, 6 plus 3 9 and 2 plus 3 5, 59 meter by 10. Take the LCM of these given number. So 110 meter minus 59 meter, 10 minus 9 1, and here 10 minus 5 5, 51 meter by 51 by 10 meter. If you write it in a mixed fraction, so that time 5 whole 1 by 10 meter. This one, the remaining part, here QB is the length of the QB is equal to 5 whole 1 by 10 meter. Very simple. Question number 2. A drum full of rice weight 40 whole 1 by 6 kg. If the empty drum weight 13 whole 3 by 4 kg, find the weight of the rice in the drum. The weight of full drum is equal to 40 whole 1 by 6 kg. The weight of empty drum is equal to 13 whole 3 by 4 kg. Weight of rice. The weight of rice is equal to what? Total weight minus empty drum. The weight of empty drum. 40 whole 1 by 6 kg minus 13 whole 3 by 4 kg. Simplify it and you will get the answer. 241 by 6 kg minus 55 by 4 kg. Take the LCM of them. 6 and 4, 12. So 241 into 2, 2, 4 2 ja 8 and 2 2 ja 4 kg minus 4 3 ja, so 165 kg. 5 3 ja 15 and 5 3 ja 15 1 16. Subtract them. 12 minus 5 7, 7 minus 6 1, and this one 4 4 minus 1 3 by 12 kg. When you subtract it, sorry, when this one the improper fraction, make it into mixed fraction. Divide it here. 12 divided by 317. 26 whole 5 by 12 kg. The weight of the rice. The weight of rice is 26 whole 5 by 12 kg. Question number 3. A basket contains 3 types of a fruit weighing 19 whole 1 by 3 kg in all. Total weight. Total weight of 3 types of fruit is equal to 19 whole 1 by 3 kg. If 8 whole 1 by 9 kg of these apples the weight of apples is equal to 8 whole 1 by 9 kg. Oranges is equal to 3 whole 1 by 6 kg. So what is the weight of pears is equal to what? Very simple. Look like the question number 1. Earning of a rickshaw puller is rupees 160. Of 1. Here expense. He has spent 26 whole 3 by 5 on tea. He purchased tea of rupees 26 whole 3 by 5. Snacks for rupees 50 whole 1 by 2 rupees. And food for rupees 16 whole 2 by 5. He has spent 26 on tea. On his earning, he has spent 26 on tea and snacks. Tea and snacks both. Sorry. On one day, rickshaw puller earned rupees. On one day, earned rupees 160. This one the earning of him. Okay, and now collect the total expense, then subtract from the earning, you will get the answer. And expense of him, expense is on tea and snacks. Tea and snacks, rupees, he spent rupees 26, whole 3 by 5. Food, on food 50 whole 1 by 2, and repairing on rickshaw, he, he spent 16 whole 2 by 5. All these are the expense of him. You have to collect all three items, then subtract from 160. So the given mixed fractions will be changed into improper fractions. 133 by 5 rupees. This one 101 by 2 rupees, and this one 82 by 5 rupees. According to question, the question has asked 160 minus 133 by 5 minus 101 by 2. Sorry, these all these are added, and 82 by 5. When you simplify it, you will get the answer. Now, see question number 5. Find the cost of 3 whole 2 by 5 meters of cloth at rupees 63 whole 3 by 4 per meter. Here, the previous questions I have solved it. You have to multiply it because the unit value is given per meter, and demanded question, the question has demanded 3 whole 2 by 5 meter of cloth. The cost of 1 meter cloth is equal to rupees 63 whole 3 by 4. So the cost of 3 whole 2 by 5 meter of cloth is equal to 63 whole 3 by 4 into 3 whole 2 by 5 meter. Your answer will come in rupees. The unit value of this answer is rupees. Here, these mixed fractions will change into improper fraction. 3 4 ja 12 plus 3 15, carry 1, and 6 4 ja 24, 125, 255 by 4, 3 5 ja 15 plus 2 17, 17 by 5. This one be cancelled. 5 5 ja and 5 1 ja. 51 into 17 by 4. When you simplify it, you will get the answer. 17 1 ja 17, and 17 5 ja 85, 186 by 4. Divided it. 4 2 ja 8, 4 1 ja 4, and 27 4 6 ja 24, 3 by 4 rupees. This one the answer of it. 216 whole 3 by 4 rupees. Video, I have given you only the solution of 5 questions, and in next video also I will provide you the next 5 questions, because there is no hurry. Okay, so I have given such PDF in your homework, so that time you will try your level best, and for this type of a solutions the hints will gives you the clear conceptions wherever you have a difficulties. So no doubt, don't hamper your own creativity, and please try to solve all questions by your own level best. Hope, hope you will do so. Thank you.